In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a TikTok video in Canva. So I'm going to be showing you everything from importing video footage, editing the video footage, adding text, music, and everything you need to know about creating a TikTok video. So we're just going to start by opening the Canva website, canva.com, and then you need to click on this search box and type in TikTok. Now go and press enter on your keyboard and click on Canva templates. Now from this window, you'll see over 10,000 different templates that you can go and use to help you make your TikTok videos. Now this can sometimes be useful, but if you do want to make your own TikTok video completely from scratch, then I would recommend selecting Create Blank, and that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. So before we can start creating our TikTok video, we first need to import some video footage. Now you can either import your own video footage that you've already recorded, or if you want some free video footage that you can use for your TikTok video, then you can head over to this website here, pixabay.com. You can click on the videos tab, and then you can go and search for the video that you want to create. So for my TikTok, I'm going to be creating a cooking themed video. So I'm going to type in cooking, and we're going to have a bunch of different videos that we can use completely royalty free. So I'm just going to click on this video here and then press the download button, and I'm going to download this as 1280 by 720 and click on download. Now once that video is downloaded, we can head back over to Canva, click on uploads in the left hand side and click on upload files. Now just select the video file that you want to add to your TikTok video and double click on it to upload the video. So once this is finished uploading, we can drag this video file onto the template like this. And because this is a landscape video, we'll now need to resize it so it fits the full width of our frame. Now if you already have a portrait video, you might not need to resize it, but if you do have a landscape video like this, then you can just drag the edges so it fits the full width of this white canvas. You can also reposition this as well just by dragging the video to where you want it. And now if I go and play that back, you can see we have started this TikTok video. Now you can edit the video as well by clicking on it and selecting edit. And there's a bunch of different options in this left-hand window, so you can add things like filters to change the color of the video. This can be cool if you want to create a certain effect or style for your TikTok. You can also adjust things like the intensity of that effect. You can adjust the video speed as well if you want to slow down or speed up your video clip. And once you've done that, we're now going to add some text over our video. So I'm going to click on text in the left-hand navigation and click on add a heading. Then go and type in what you want this text to say. So because mine's a cooking video, I'm going to type in cooking tip, and then I might write something like taste as you go. And you can change all of the styling for this text as well. You can just make sure it's all selected and then click on the font. And I'm going to go and change this to something a little bit more interesting. You can also change the color, the text color as well, by choosing this color palette. Now, if you want to adjust your text further, you can click on effects. And there's a bunch of different options here, such as outline. This is going to make our text much easier to read. And you can change the thickness of this outline as well. I'm also going to change the shadow color like this. And I'm going to resize this so it's in the middle of the screen. Now, if I go and play that back, you can see we have the video as well as this text. So another thing you can do is go and add music or sound effects or even voiceovers to this video. So if you want a voiceover in your video and you don't want to record your own voice, you can actually use an online tool to go and do this. So if I come over to an internet browser and I type in voiceover free and hit enter. So there's actually a bunch of different websites you can use for your voiceover. The one that I like to use is this 11labs.io here. And I'm just going to scroll down and type in the text that you want this voiceover to say. So mine is this cooking tip. I just want to read this out loud. Then we can scroll down and select a voice from the left-hand side. I'm not going to go through all of these, but you can just select the one that works best for you. You can preview it by clicking play at the bottom down here. And if you're happy with the voiceover, just go and press download. Just like that, it's going to download this as an MP3 to your computer. We can then head back over to Canva, click on uploads in the left-hand side and select upload files. Now just go and locate that voiceover, that MP3 file, and double click on it to upload it to Canva. Now you can go and drag this down to the bottom of your video like this. So now we have this video with our text and also the voiceover in the background. Now you can add more than one video as well. So if you wanted to keep this TikTok going on for longer, you could always just come back over to videos and drag in a second piece of video to this plus symbol. And the second video is just going to play directly after this first video. You can also add transitions between these two clips just by moving your mouse cursor in the middle here. And if you click on add transition, you can go and select a transition to move from the first video clip over to the second. So I could do something like color wipe. you can see that it creates a transition from the first clip into the second. Now, once you're happy with your TikTok video, you can just click on share in the top right hand side, click on download and make sure MP4 video is selected, and you can go and click on download to download this file to your computer, and then you can upload it directly to the TikTok app. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.